What's up, guys? So I just got this win. Oops, sorry. Okay, so yeah, I just got this win. Wait, I just thought it would be a nice upload because I haven't uploaded. So yeah, I'm just getting mad. So there's nothing really to see. I don't get any kills. Okay. I played for a minute. Still looting, no kills. So right now I have a purple pump, blue AR, blue bolt. I think it's a half shield and 3 dynamite. So yeah, I find this legendaries. Wait, oops. I just noticed. Okay, I do not know how to do this. So yeah, I just found that suppressed AR. Yeah, okay, that's normal speed, I think. So I just found a suppressed AR. I looked in there, no track. Someone has a heavy sniper. So 21 people left, still no kills. There's someone up there in the Port of Fortress. I don't realize it, but yeah, it's a little laggy. Well, as you can see him on the map right there. He's not in the Port of Fortress, he's like next to it. I'm trying to crouch so he can't hear me. It's right there. For some reason, I couldn't build. I don't know why. People. That's where all of them are. They're all like next to a person. There's 2 people behind me. I don't even realize it, but that's where all of them are. Alright, so I gotta kill. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't hear that turret. And by the way, this is not on PC. So I see this kid. I try to line up a headshot. Hit him there. I saw so many TTVs at the beginning of the game. I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm winning this. I didn't pick up that those turrets. I didn't want to. There's still 10 people left. I only have 1 kill. Alright, yeah. Saw Maxwood there. There's a kid on the right and behind me. I don't realize. Sorry, I stopped. Someone texted me, so I was like moving around with my left finger only, my left hand. I wasn't lagging or anything. I don't know how I missed this shot. We don't talk about this, okay? Like, I swear the bullet went right through him. There's a kid right on the right, I don't realize, but... He sees me. I had a perfect sniper shot, but he moved. That kid lifted it in the back. So yeah, he goes away. I build a fort here. I try to reconstruct it. I didn't want to stay too focused on reconstruction because someone could come up on me from behind. I had to move while I wanted to because of zone. Alright, this is the good part right here. Well, not really good part, but this is where it starts. Yeah, I've been soloing, it's not that bad. It's not that good. I'm not the best. I'm not the worst. Not like I'm Tifa or anything. So that's where everyone is on the map. So yeah, I hear that zombie coming up, so I just hop out and look at him. They're about to lag. Replay mode always lags. This is where the fog starts to kick in and it's like extremely annoying. Because now I can't see that kid who was in the portal fortress. See that? Alright, 4 people left. So I'll stop it here because this is the good part. I'll move my mouse. So everyone is. That kid's like chilling at the edge of the circle. It's not. I'm not going backwards. I don't know why I would do. It's building a little 2x2, one by one. Just in the circle. I didn't want him to come and break my base. That's why I shot him. So I guess the other two people don't realize that they're really close to each other. Hold on, I want to see something. So this kid's getting hit by the zombies. This is his POV. And he's not the best player. Just see that. So here, the kid is fighting zombies. That other kid's coming towards me. He's like right behind me. I don't even realize it. So it builds up on me. There's a trap. That's my trap right there. I hit that. Missed that. And then this is where this kid sucks. So he's building up to me. Place a trap there. It doesn't hit. I think it goes off, but it just doesn't hit him. I don't know how he didn't get a shot right there because I was mid shooting him down. So yeah, I go down with him and hit him a couple times and yeah. Whew.